Man, I'm so sleepy. But I already went to sleep, so I don't know why I'm so tired, but that's okay. We're gonna play this video game that I found on Itch, yeah. So, yeah, what's the game called again? So yeah, we're about to play a game called A House for Alesa? I don't know, Alesa? I don't know. But we're gonna play that. Yeah. Alright, my volume up. Feeling a little brave, a little snazzy, so I'm gonna put it on 84. Alright, and make it up. Yes, sir. Take this light out of my eye. Hold on, let me turn it back. Yeah. Turn it back. Oh, do it like this. Some of y'all boys. Yeah. That way I could turn it up even louder and still be good enough, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All the way to 100. All the way to 100. It's playing backwards. It's creepy. Yo, my cat looking at the door and it's freaking me out. Even the select noise sound creepy, like doom. The neighbor foot sounds, yes. Disable, no, that won't be necessary. Put this cord out the way. Alright. Bet. I gotta use the bathroom. I gotta use the restroom for real. I ain't gonna lie. I'll be right back. I gotta use the restroom. Yeah, I wash my hands. What? You said? What the heck is that? Hello there. Yo, why you look like that? I wasn't expecting that with this creepy music. Hello. I want to ask you something. Have you ever had needles under your fingernails? That's a little girl. I'm not supposed to talk to strangers. Oh, I see. But I'm not a stranger. I'm a friend. I want to be your friend. Alesa. How do you know my name, mister? Who are you? I'm Mr. Bob, your new best friend. I already have friends. No, thank you. Really? Then why are you playing with them right now? Why are you playing by yourself? Oh, God, the music. Why are you lying, Lisa? I know you don't have any friends, and your parents don't even care about you. You're all alone in this sad and very, very cruel world. I better go back home. I have a better idea. Why don't you come to my house? You can be part of my family. We'll never leave you alone. We'll play every day. It will be fantastic. Mom, Mom, Daddy, help me. Oh gosh. My Lord. Wow. These sound effects are really, the laughter, it's piercing in my mind into my soul. I know your parents aren't home. Why don't you keep lying? Why do you keep lying? Do you know what happens to children who lie? They get eaten by monsters. I think I need to turn this volume down, man. I think I need to turn down this volume. No. What the freak? Wow. That was something else. That dream again. No, not a dream. A memory. Oh, that actually happened. That man, Mr. Bob, I barely managed to run back home and escape from him. He didn't chase me, though. I told my parents and they didn't even believe me. I guess the mention of Mr. Bob's inhumane appearance didn't help either. Just my imagination, they said. Anyway, I need to calm down and stay focused for tomorrow. There's no point in getting stressed over something that happened 18 years ago. I mean, it happened. I mean, how can you ignore that? I don't care what anybody said. I don't care if people try to tell me otherwise. It happened, okay? So get out of my face with that. Oh, it's just in your imagination. Shut up! You don't know what you're talking about. I know what I'm talking about. It happened. I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. I've been assigned a new case. A potential situation of child neglect. An old house in the outskirts of the city, and a family that never leaves their home. Okay. I'm sorry if I sound like I'm yelling. The music is pretty loud, so I'm gonna try to turn it down. They wanted me to come with a cop, but I refused. Families don't react well to the presence of cops. If they see me alone, it might be easier to regain their trust and have them cooperate. Okay, all right. So she's like a what, social worker or something like that? Just some questions, and I'll leave. I just need to check if there's a child neglect at all. Riding around in the Subaru. It's like they ain't no Subaru. She driving in the middle though, so maybe that's why she didn't want no cops. The cops might tell her to stop driving in the middle. She might get crazy or something. Let's see, house number 446. There should be flowers outside. Oh, okay. Please press the directional keys to move. Press Z or enter to confirm. Okay. Q to access them. X to escape. Exit out. Where's Q? Where's X? Okay. Alright. Okay, I got my little gist of that. Nothing's behind my back, so we all good. Hold on. What's that? Okay. Dude, what's wrong with her legs? Alright, she got back though. Alright, so 4, 4. More trash. It's not working. Oh, you got the dog noise? Or is it outside home? Oh no, it's the game. Wrong house. Okay. She got sad when I did that? Oh no. Oh, okay. Let's go. I thought that phone wasn't working. How strange. Oh, we can just leave it alone? What y'all think I should do? Answer it? I might just do it. Too late, curse. Oh my god! Why is... I need to turn this down, innit? God. I think we're almost there. I know it's 446. I don't know what she was saying. More trash. Oh, this is it. Flowers at the house. Woo! Flowers. Let me check around a little bit. We got a little fire hydrant. Okay. Alright. Okay, alright. Construction? Oh, I see. The Bellbird's blocking us. Okay, no problem. Let's go ahead and keep going. Move this mouse inside. Got trash on the yard. Oh, that's a stick. You got trash on the yard, man. What is this, Rivers Avenue? Yeah, this is a Rivers Avenue house. Oh, God. Cracks on the wall. Maybe you should bring the police officer with you, man. I mean, yeah, you should bring a police officer. There's a crack on the wall. What the freak is that? This game already creepy. I mean, it started off creepy. A vine. I guess it would be possible to climb it. Oh. She could basically just hop up there, you know. She a big girl. She a real big girl. Okay, I see that. Okay, here I am. There's no ring bell, so I guess I have to knock the door. It must be Jack. What? Hey, Jack. Who's Jack? Your boyfriend? Alesa, do you? Yes, Jack. I'm outside the house right now. Actually, I was about to knock on the door just when you called. Oh, okay. Good. Are you sure you don't need protection? I can send aid. I'll be fine, Jack. Stop worrying so much about me. When I decided I wanted to become a social worker, I knew I had to be ready for all kinds of situations. I always managed to make things work out. Remember? Oh, sorry. Let me reread that. I always managed to make things work out. Remember? Jack, are you there? Signal got lost. Anyway, time to work. Who that? It seems there's nobody home. What should I do? Freedom, what do you mean? Maybe I should come back tomorrow. Or should I wait in the car until they're back home? Anyway, I better go back to the car. scream. Someone's in trouble. The kids. I need to do something. No, you need to call Jack. I need to call the police right away. Darn it. I should have listened to Jack. I should have come with the cop. No signal. What should I do? Investigate, I guess. I need to find a way to get inside the house. I would have picked leave, but you know how these games be. Let's climb the vine. That window is open. I can climb the vine and reach it. Her big self. Sorry. What? Oh. I didn't expect that fall at all. I guess I can't go back now. What do you mean? She ain't got no hops. An empty bucket. Trash everywhere. Why is there chains hanging from the ceiling? Okay. These footsteps. I can see why they asked if we want to turn it off. I'm a little scared. It's locked with a key. It's locked with a key. Ooh. Yo, ain't you been outside? Yo, your siblings out there. You might want to go with them. Who are you? A very creepy doll. No dip. An old mirror. Should I take a look at my reflection? Nope. Can I save? I want to save. Hold on. Okay. Where the save thing at? There's no save? Maybe this is the saving thing. 2243. What?